You want to raise American chickens? Let me just show you a taste of my day. We got the guineas on point, keeping everybody real. We got the dogs, making sure there ain't no eagles. We got the little bitty clocker-trockers doing their thing. They just so damn fun to look at. Guineas keeping them real, keeping everybody honest. Juju's out here to keep everybody safe. We got roosters doing their thing. Yeah, we got you on lockdown, sucker. Roosters doing their thing. Oh my God. They tore this girl's back to hell. Poor baby. She ain't got nothing to hold on to. She ain't got nothing left to hold on to, player. Got the meat birds on the meat birds. Here's my ducks. What's up, quackers?